Hey, all you cool cats and kittens! Today we're going to be learning about finding the mode of a set of numbers. So, I'm logging in, Miss Cole. Finding the mode of a number means finding the most number that is repeated. So, boop, where did it go? Here it is. So I have this set of numbers. 33, 29, 38, 42, and 42. So if you'll notice, 42 and 42 is the most repeated number in this group of numbers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click 42. And that is correct. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, we have a set of numbers 44, 36, 39, 47, and 47. 44 is listed once, 36 is listed once, 39 is listed once, but 47 is listed 2 times. So that is the mode, because 47 is listed the most. Mode equals the most number. So I'm going to go over here and click in 47. Let's go to number 3. This will be the last one we do. We have 9, 16, 8, 9, and 11. We see that 11 is listed once, 9 is listed 2 times, 8 is listed once, and 16 is listed once. So 9 is the mode because 9 is listed the most times. So 9 is the mode. If you have any questions, you just let me know. See ya, cool cats and kittens.